Alright, with the next video, we're going to show you how to create a new page of a announcement page. So, we're going to give it a name. We'll just call it announcements. And then you have different templates. I switched it from web page to announcements. Okay, and again, we're just going to leave it at top level, and that's kind of usually the best way to do it. So we're going to hit create, and it's going to create an announcements page. So just like any other page, you can edit it. So we can say these are a few announcements, or latest announcements, a few latest announcements, and then we can hit save, and then that will edit it. I believe, let's go back and show you, you can change the layout just like you can with other pages. So if you want to have it as a 2-column on announcements page or whatever, you can do that. It's kind of up to you. And I hit save. Now, the nice thing about announcements is it makes it a quick way to add things. A lot of our athletics teams, they have team websites, and a lot of them, this is the way they do a lot of their updating of their website. So they click on new post, and then we go through and we want to give it a title. So my first announcement, hello, this is my new website, I hope you like it. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and hit save then, and there's our first announcement. Now again, I don't really like having the attachments and comments on there, so a lot of times I would go here, page settings, get rid of allow attachments and comments, hit save, and there we go. Now if you go back to our home page, you have an announcement section, so we can click on this, and this will have a list of all of our announcements. So they will go in from newest will be at the top, and the oldest ones will just keep getting lower and lower as you add new posts. So if we were to add a second post, it would go on top of that, and so forth. You can see that it then made a special little thing where you can actually click on just that announcement, but as we add a page, you'll notice it will add to the sidebar. Now the neat thing about announcements is you can create a thing on your main page that will put the most recent announcements on it. So we're going to edit our main page, and we're going to put latest news, and I'm going to highlight that, and I want to make it stick out a little bit. So we're going to make it a little bit bigger font, maybe bold it. Let's even give it a little bit of color. Now I hit enter, and if you look over here where it says insert, we have a section here called recent posts. So when I click on recent posts, there's a few options. Okay, it wants to know what announcement page do we want to get these from. Now we only have one, but if we had created a new page of another announcement page, you would have other choices. So that's automatic. How long do you want? Do you want just to give a little preview of it? You can also include a little picture if you happen to have a picture on your new post. You can choose how many posts it will display. So if you have, in this example, if you had 6 or 7 different posts, it would not show the two oldest ones. When you're showing the display, you can choose whether to show the title or not, or show the border. It's kind of up to you. It's kind of your own preference on what you think it looks like. So we're going to choose save, and it adds what we call gadgets. So this is a gadget. It doesn't show our posts because we are in edit mode. We have not hit save yet. So that is why it looks like a box. If you want to make changes, you have a few changes. You can align it left, you can center it, you can make it go to the right. You have, again, wrapping. So if you want words to wrap around it, options. And then if you ever want to go back and change the properties, you click here, and these are these options that was on here before when you first created it. So we're going to click save, and then I'm going to click save again. And here is our first announcement. So you can see it will just keep updating the newest one. If we hit edit, and we want to make changes to it, and let's say I want to include a title now. So I click save. I'm going to choose save. And now you can see it's added this title, recent announcements. So that is a gadget that you can add from announcements, but you must first have an announcements page created before you can do that. So that is it for the creating an announcements page.